Hi everyone, today I brought a really important video for you all. It's about how we can hash user data using SHA-256. In the past, we've seen a lot of methods where we'd write different JavaScript code to hash each piece of user data. For example, we'd create separate variables for phone number, for the email, for the first name, last name, email, city, country. Basically, for each piece of the data, we had to create a separate variables from the data layer. But in today's video, I am going to show you a much simpler approach. You will just create a single variable and add that to your custom code. I've also created a key that you can use wherever you want to pull a particular piece of data. For instance, if you want to get the email, you just use that key and specify email. If you want to get phone number, just change the key to phone number, and so on. You only need this one variable to handle all the user data. Additionally, if in your data layer you only have the email, you can just create the email variable and leave the key blank for the others. It works just fine. This code is really important for those of us who sends SHA-256 hashed data, and this is very important for our Facebook, Google, and TikTok, Pinterest, and other social media sites. And I will prove that it's working by testing it on a few SHA-256 checking website and in Google Tag Manager server container. When we send the raw data to the server, it's hashed it, and we will check it our hash matched the server hashed. If it does, we will know our code is working perfectly. So let's go ahead and verify that. So now I am to share my screen, and this is our tags. Okay, and I am to check our variables. It is how to create these variables. So you can see this is our hashed variable, and this is our every specific variables, and this is our raw data, right? So I'm just created only one data layer variables, this one user data, and here I have order data, customer, and billing, and every data like email, phone number, city, country, zip code, everything's under the order underscore customer dot billing. This is data layer variables, right? I'm just created these variables and use these data layer variables on the city like this one, and here I'm just use this data layer variables, and this is our key. If I change this key like email, the change this email address, it will be hashed. Phone number, if I change this phone number will be hashed. City, country, and everything will be hashed, depends on our city. Okay, so I will check this later. Also, if sometimes your lead events, like you have a lead events, then you have only email address, you just created this email data layer variables and just added this here, and you just blank this one, then it will be working. I will show you later. Okay, but right now I have to check our data is working or not. So this is our data. I want to send this raw data in our server, and I want to send this server data for on our browser. So go to tags, and yeah, this is our browser and this is our server, right? So I want to send this hashed data on our web browser container. This one our, right? And I already added this one, and the raw data on the server container. Okay, empty raw data here, right? So now I need to check our data. So let's go to our website, and I will make a purchase, and purchase, and I want to check our purchase event. Yeah, our purchase event is working. Now you can see this our browser data, like here, hashed data, right? Also this is our server data, like here, our raw data. Okay, when I check our server, like here, and conversion API, and you can see every hashed data. Now I want to check our data, it is working or not. So I'm going to variables, and you can see this is our email address. So Control F and B. Wow, fantastic. And this email address, it is working very well. So as well as I can check our phone number, like this phone number raw data, right? This is our phone number. I'm using this phone number on the browser, and also I will check our raw data here. Okay, our hash checker. Okay, this one, and also check here this one, generate fire, this one, right? So I have to copy this one and go here, Control F, yeah, matching. I want to check our browser. So here Control F and B, and you can see this phone number is working. Now I need to check our another like first name. Okay, go to web container, Control F, first name. Okay, good. Last name. Wow, fantastic. City, state, everything is working very well, right? Zip code, like this postal code, right? Postal code, and also county. Okay, then it is working very well, right? So you can also say you can so just 1 second, I will check our server data, and it will be like every data every data is a raw data, right? And this is our server data. Server has data, and also our browser data and server data is working very well, right? So I think very well. And you can ask me, I want to show the full variables code like this here, order data, customer billing, and I want to check our email address. So this one, right? So I want to create a data layer variables and use these variables on our code, and I want to check our code it is working or not. So I will create a data layer variables. Here I just paste this one and the DLV variables. Okay, then now I want to use this our code. Okay, I just copy this code and just here I will blank. I don't use anything. And add our data layer email, right? Email address, data layer email address, right? This one. I have to check this email it will be working or not. Okay, just 1 second. And if I click on preview, then I'm going to our website. Okay, then I will make again purchase here. Just 1 second. Our tag is still connected. Yeah, then click on purchase, and yeah, this one our purchase event, and I want to check our variables. Which one? This okay, copy this is our raw data, right? Yeah, and this is our hash data. I think it is working perfectly. So I will check again on our hash data here, copy, and go to our tag assistant and Control F and B. Yeah, everything perfectly working. So it will be very well for me. Thank you all so much. And if you would like to get the code for me, here's how you can do it. You just needed to fill out a forms and use a specific key code in that forms. Let us say the key code is hash data. Just enter that key code in the forms and I will directly send the hash code to your email. And how you can find these forms, I will send these forms in this video description. You just check it out, and here you just write down here hash underscore data. When you write this hash underscore data and submit these forms, I will send this code in your mail. So thank you all once again. And if you need any kind of a paid service related to the Facebook pixel and conversion API or web and server-side tracking, definitely feel free to reach out to me. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.